if they're not sorry? That's a really good question. What if they're not sorry? Any thoughts?
Sorry.
Yeah. Yes, teaching empathy. If you have kids who are not sorry because their dad has said, if somebody hits me, I should pummel them, because that's what my dad said. That's what I do in the playground. Then they don't have that feeling. The only way you're going to get there now is to back up and go, if I have kids who say that or act that way in my classroom, then it means that I have to teach empathy. It means that I have to teach what it's like to be in someone else's shoes. It means I'm teaching U.S. history to my high school class, and I have to teach them, what does it mean? How do you think it feels to go to school every day, have your wonderful sneakers, have your great backpack, have the wonderful minivan that your mom dropped you off in, and all of a sudden that's gone halfway through the day? Because an earthquake hit, a flood hit, someone attacked your town. How do you think that feels? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.